This is not just a sandwich. It's a sensory overload. Imagine slow-cooked tender beef, melted Oaxaca cheese, and a crispy crust dipped into a deep crimson consommé. It's the Birria Grilled Cheese, the viral sensation that took over the streets of Los Angeles and then the world. But where did this red taco evolution come from, and why is everyone obsessed with the dip? Today, we're tearing apart the layers of history, spice, and fat. Welcome to the messy, delicious world of birria. It started with goats. During the Spanish conquest, goats were seen as a nuisance and given to the indigenous people as a joke. The locals used heavy spices and slow cooking to turn that tough, gamey meat into a masterpiece. That's how birria, meaning worthless, became priceless. Now for the myth. Many think the red in the soup is just tomato. Wrong. That iconic crimson color comes from a complex blend of dried guajillo and ancho chilies. No tomatoes allowed. And that grilled cheese part? That's a pure American remix. Traditional birria was a stew served in a bowl, not between slices of bread. The Birria Grilled Cheese wasn't created in a corporate lab. It was born from the hustle of Tijuana's street vendors. In the early 2010s, vendors were struggling. Competition was fierce. They needed to reinvent the taco to survive the night. They started frying the tortilla in the fat, the liquid gold of the stew. Then came the cheese. Then the American sourdough bread. It was a fusion born of necessity, a bridge between Mexican soul and American comfort. When the first customer dipped that crispy, cheesy sandwich into the hot broth, everything changed. The hustle finally paid off. What started in Tijuana didn't stay there. It moved north, exploding across the border into Los Angeles. In the US, the queso birria evolved. Chefs swapped the traditional corn tortilla for thick, buttery slices of sourdough and brioche. Suddenly, it wasn't just a street snack, it was a social media icon. The queso pole and the consommé dip became the language of TikTok. From high-end fusion restaurants in London to pop-up stalls in Dubai, the Birria Grilled Cheese became the ultimate global comfort food. But beneath the flavor lies a heavy truth. A single Birria Grilled Cheese can pack over 1,200 calories. It's a triple threat: deep-fried bread, fatty beef, and a pool of oil. Health experts call it a heart stopper. Then there's the debate over authenticity. Purists claim that putting birria in a grilled cheese is an insult to Mexican heritage. Has the internet turned a sacred, slow-cooked tradition into just another viral stunt for clicks? Today, the birria fever has reached a breaking point of creativity. We've gone beyond the bread. Have you tried Birria Ramen? A Japanese-Mexican marriage where the consommé becomes the broth for thick, chewy noodles. Or the birria pizza, where the crust is dipped in fat and topped with a mountain of cheese and slow-cooked meat. From birria egg rolls to birria gyoza, the world is finding new ways to get that hit of chili and fat. As birria conquers the globe, the future looks even more high-tech. Imagine a world where plant-based birria tastes exactly like the original. Scientists are already working on cell-cultured goat, allowing us to enjoy the heritage of Jalisco without the environmental toll. We might see smart vending machines on street corners serving a perfectly toasted, dipped grilled cheese in seconds. The format will change, the meat may evolve, but the soul, the chili, the spice, and the dip is here to stay. The Birria Grilled Cheese is more than a viral trend. It's a story of survival, a bridge between cultures, and a masterclass in flavor. It reminds us that even the most worthless ingredients, when treated with time and passion, can become world-class gold. So, the next time you take that dip, remember the centuries of history in every drop of that red consommé. If your mouth is watering, hit that like button and tell us, do you prefer the traditional taco or the cheesy grilled cheese? Subscribe to follow our journey through the world's most iconic flavors. Stay hungry, and we'll see you in the next bite.